Hi, I'm Rich Torrey, and welcome to another Level Up Cartooning. We're going to continue our series of cartoon duos by drawing Luca and Alberto from the new Disney Pixar movie, Luca. And as you can see, we're going to be drawing them in their sea monster form. Those of you who are regulars may remember we drew Alberto in his human form about a month ago when we were discussing cartoon body proportions. Anyway, all you're going to need to follow along with me today is pencil and paper. It doesn't get any easier than that, right? Before we get started, make sure you hit that thumbs up and the subscribe button as it helps this channel to grow. And hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. So let's draw Luca and Alberto from the movie Luca. We're going to draw Luca and Alberto step by step, giving you the secret formula to be able to draw them again and again. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I normally use the character's head to figure out how big the entire character is. In this drawing, we're going to use Alberto's head as our guide. If you remember the last time we drew Alberto as a human, he was 4 heads tall. In other words, however tall his head is, his entire body is 4 of those. Luca is also 4 heads tall, but his head is smaller than Alberto's and more rounder. That said, we're going to use and extend some lines from Alberto's proportions to use for Luca to get his size and proportions correct in relation to Alberto. Anyways, let's start with that roadmap for the sea monster versions of Luca and Alberto. So there's a roadmap for Luca and Alberto. Now we're on to step 2. In this step, we do what I call roughing out the features. I want to remind you that until the third and final step, you want to draw as light as possible. You'll see that I use guidelines to help you know where to put some of the character's features. We don't want those guidelines in the final drawing, so you want to draw them light enough to be able to erase them easily. So let's rough out Luca and Alberto's features. Okay, so there are the roughed out features of Luca and Alberto. So now with the roadmap done and the features roughed out, it's time for the final step. In step 3, we get to have fun. We get to draw the final details of Luca and Alberto. We don't have to guess where to put things because we've already done all the hard work to figure that out. In this step, it's okay to draw darker, but don't press too hard or mindlessly retrace over the lines you've already drawn. Always draw with an eye on tweaking and improving until the very end. So let's draw in the details for Luca and Alberto. Alrighty, there they are, the dynamic duo of Luca and Alberto from the movie Luca. So how do you think you did? Understand, if you've never drawn either of these difficult characters before, then you cannot expect to have drawn them perfectly. You'll notice I don't spend time coloring them during this video because I want my lesson to focus solely on the drawing process. Now you have the secret formula. The process for drawing Luca and Alberto. With that, you can draw them again and again, and by all means color them when you're done. I promise each time you draw them, it'll be a little better and a little easier. I also promise the more you work with me, the better you're going to get at all of your cartoon characters. For those of you who want to go a little deeper, click on the link below for my free 4-part drawing series, where I spend more time explaining the details and the thinking behind each step of what I call the level up cartooning process. So now I'd love to see your drawing of Luca and Alberto. If you can, take a picture and post it on either Facebook or Instagram. And don't forget to include the hashtag #LevelUpCartooning. I hope you had as much fun as I did with this one. Remember to subscribe, and thank you for joining me. Until next time, keep drawing, my friends.